There was a boy who grew up in the heart of Foshan Furniture City. He remembers his father's weathered hands, carefully selecting each piece of premium wood with craftsmanship. His mother's nimble fingers, stitching the warmth of home. Foshan Furniture, passed down through generations, carries the warmth of home. As the boy grew up, he dreamed of taking Foshan Furniture to a bolder world. 2024, I'm 28 years old, and I don't just want to inherit the family business. I became a video blogger, sharing the story of Foshan Furniture with the world. Foshan, the global furniture manufacturing hub, renowned for its accuracy, craftsmanship, and innovative design, has long held a prominent place in the global furniture industry. Now, standing on the shoulders of my furniture family, I aim not only to honor the legacy but also to make the charm of Foshan Furniture shine globally. Foshan Furniture is not just about the past, it's about the future. 2024, passion has enlightened my dreams. Our family factory has thrived for generations, focusing on high-end custom furniture, covering various spheres including residential, hotel. Furniture is a language and commercial spaces, blending and colliding in the world's cultures. The global furniture journey has made me deeply realize exceptional furniture is the fusion of culture and innovation. This has strengthened my belief in combining Foshan century-old craftsmanship with innovative designs. Foshan Furniture represents not only made in China, but also a global benchmark for design and quality. I hope every piece of Foshan Furniture can perfectly integrate into the lives of our clients. From the fireplaces in Europe capsules, fountains in the Middle Eastern courtyards, we have left our footprints, entering the homes of our clients, listening to their aspirations for home. In these real family settings, I'm even more convinced good furniture is the soul of our home, carrying emotions and memories. By integrating family resource, I aim to become the spokesperson for Foshan Furniture. The internet is my stage to tell the story of Foshan Furniture. I want to make more people aware of Foshan Furniture and provide them with top-tier custom service. My team and I are dedicated to bring Foshan Furniture to the global stage. Our mission is to become the gateway for global high-end lifestyles, allowing consumers around the world to experience the finest furniture from Foshan and creating a global with new Foshan Furniture brand. 2024, full of miracles and challenges. Dreams are coming true. Embrace the world. Embrace Foshan Furniture. 2025, what will happen? That is passion. Follow me. Go to my homepage, click my bio link to contact us.